I'm Michael Light, the National Install Leader for American Standard, and I wanted to talk to you today about the benefits and opportunities of becoming a certified American Standard walk-in tub installer. You have an opportunity to partner with a 140-year-old heritage brand name. We'll provide you with the training. We manufacture, sell, market, and supply the product. You install it. No franchise requirements, and you won't have to bid to win a job.
What I like most about working for American Standard is that I don't have to go out there and bid any work. The salesman went out there and did all that work for you. You get the job, it's been scheduled, you go, you do the job, you complete the job, you get paid on time.
If you have ever installed a tub or have plumbing experience, then you need to connect with American Standard walk-in tubs to learn about this exciting opportunity.